A digital marketing agency can be a very lucrative business for you to start now. With the popularity and the rise of social media and the internet, a lot of companies and businesses are looking for digital marketing experts to help them promote their businesses on social media or on the internet. The internet can be a great platform for individuals to promote their businesses. So this means that a lot of companies and businesses are willing to pay huge sums of money to digital marketing experts to help them advertise their businesses on the internet. So my advice to you is to immediately learn digital marketing skills so that you can start up a digital marketing agency and make money from charging businesses and companies to help them promote their businesses on the internet. Starting a digital marketing agency can make you thousands of dollars every month. This is because there are a lot of companies that don't have an online presence and they are looking for digital marketing experts to help them become visible online. But before I continue this video, please permit me to explain what digital marketing is all about. Digital marketing, also known as online marketing, is the promotion of businesses to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communications. So this means that all promotions or marketing of a business is done solely on the internet. This can be done with the use of social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization strategies. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide that you can use to start a successful digital marketing agency. But before we dive into those steps, I will advise you to subscribe and click the bell notification button to this channel so that you can get the latest information about online businesses on this channel. So please subscribe to this channel because this channel is dedicated to teach you and provide you with easy strategies that you can use to make money online on a daily basis. Also remember to watch other videos on this channel. Watch other videos because I have created several videos that can help you easily make money online. So please try and watch other videos on this channel. Also remember to ask me any questions that you have on the comment section. Ask me any questions so that I can answer them on the comment section. So if you have any questions regarding this video after watching this video, don't forget to ask me on the comment section, and I promise you that I will answer all the questions that you ask me on the comment section immediately and as soon as possible. So now follow this step-by-step guide to start a successful digital marketing agency. Step 1. Learn and develop the necessary digital marketing skills that you need for your digital marketing business. You need to learn and develop the necessary digital marketing skills that you need for your digital marketing agency. Examples of skill sets that you need to learn for your digital marketing agency or business are: 1. Social media marketing. 2. Email marketing. 3. Search engine optimization strategies. 4. Data analysis. 5. Content marketing. 6. Content creation. And 7. Copywriting. So these skills I just mentioned are necessary for you to start a digital marketing agency. So you need to learn these skills to easily start up a digital marketing agency and for you to easily get clients and customers. So look for ways to learn these skills I just mentioned. But you can learn these skills by watching free tutorial videos on YouTube. So go to YouTube and search for these skills and learn them. There are several free videos on digital marketing skills that are available on YouTube. You can also learn these skills on various websites and blogs on the internet. Another way that you can learn these skills is by buying online courses that teach these skills on platforms or on e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. So go to e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare to find these skills and buy the courses that teaches these skills. Remember to purchase the necessary equipment that you need for your digital marketing business. Examples of equipment that you need for your digital marketing business are laptop, desktop computers, and an internet connection. So you can get a laptop or a desktop computer with an internet connection to start a digital marketing business. Step 2. Create a website for your digital marketing agency. Create a website for your digital marketing business and list all the services that you provide on your website. Remember to list the prices for your digital marketing services on your website. Also remember to provide your contact details and your email address on your website. This will make it easier for your clients to contact you. Step 3. Start searching for jobs. After learning the necessary digital marketing skills that you need, you now need to start looking for digital marketing jobs. You can find digital marketing jobs on the internet by signing up or registering with freelance websites such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and PeoplePerHour.com. I repeat, Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and PeoplePerHour.com. So these freelance websites I just mentioned have unlimited amount of digital marketing jobs waiting for you. Also, these jobs are worth thousands of dollars. So go to those freelance websites and sign up immediately and start applying for those jobs. Another way to get jobs or clients for your digital marketing business is to contact local businesses and companies around the city or town that you live in. Contact those businesses and offer them your digital marketing services. Step 4. Market and promote your digital marketing business. Promote your digital marketing business on all social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Make sure that you are very active on social media. Also create flyers for your digital marketing agency and hand those flyers to potential businesses and companies around your city that might need your digital marketing services. Step 5. Provide high quality services to your clients. Make sure that you provide the best quality digital marketing services to your clients and customers. Make sure that you offer the best quality services so that you can retain your clients and get more clients. Providing a poor quality digital marketing services can damage your businesses and make you lose your clients. Step 4, scale your business. Once your digital marketing business is bringing in huge profits, you need to now start hiring more employees. You need to hire more employees to boost productivity and expand your business. Rent an office space that can accommodate your employees and your business. Make sure that you purchase or buy the high quality equipment that you need for your digital marketing business. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video so that your friends and families can also learn how to start a digital marketing business. Also remember to subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest information concerning online businesses. Also remember to ask me any questions that you have on the comment section so that I can answer them for you immediately. I promise to answer any questions that you ask me on the comment section. Please try to watch other videos on this channel so that you can learn different strategies and tips that you can use to make money online or make steady cash flow every month on the internet. So stay safe out there. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.